Hello everyone, welcome to Premiere Pro video editing course for beginners. My name is Rahman Binit and in this course we will cover everything from setting up your workspace to exporting your final project. Whether you are completely new to Premiere Pro or you want to polish your skills, this course has something for you. So if you don't have Premiere Pro on your system, just go on Adobe Creative Cloud and download it from there, and then we will open Premiere Pro. So now you can see the start screen. So you have to click on a new project button and name your project here. For example, I'll name it a new project, and there are a couple of settings that you can change, but if you're a beginner, the default settings are fine. And you can also change the project location from here. So Premiere Pro will save your project in that particular location, like the project Premiere Pro project file or the video file that you are working on. Then we will select create and it will create a project for us. So now let's explore the Premiere Pro interface. First of all, it might look complex, but we'll break it down step by step. So this is the project panel. So you can export all of your media files such as videos, images, sound effects, music, everything over here from your system. So for example, if I open a video file, so it will show up over here. So if I drag the video footage into the timeline panel, it will create a sequence and this is your timeline. So for example, most of your editing you will do like in this particular area. So like if I cut, this is like I will do it over here. If I like for example added text, so this is our text layer, and so whatever changes you do in the timeline, it will like give you a preview in this particular area. So in the program monitor or the preview panel, whatever you say. So this was the first episode of Premiere Pro video editing course for beginners. In the next couple of episodes, we will learn how to import footages, how to add music, how to add transition, how to do your basic editing in Premiere Pro. So do subscribe. Press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload next couple of episodes, and see you in the next episode. Bye.